This is the video guide that is about getting rid of the pop-ups by the site adblock1protection.com. These pop-ups by adblock1protection.com actually promote this extension called adblock1. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it you would be able to block advertisements, but in reality this particular extension shows its own advertisements not associated with the sites that you actually visit. So you should remove this extension by accessing the menu More Tools, Extensions. Then if you find this extension, disable and remove it. To be convinced that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, my recommendation is that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then begin examining your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.